Hi and good evening. And I'd like to thank all the members of the media for being here today. It's always very gratifying to see all of you in such large numbers and always showing up to support us. So thank you very much. We apologize for minor delays. That always happens, especially when we have an ensemble, which we're very proud of. Kapoor & Sons is special to all of us for various reasons. Also because it makes a huge shift from loving your parents to understanding your children. I think it's a different perspective on family. All families, as you know, have a series of issues, some hidden secrets, some lies, conflict, but eventually it's a cementing factor in all our lives. And I think Kapoor & Sons touches upon the happy days, some sad ones, and the ones that we need to overcome. And the film deals with those issues in its own manner. Shakun Batra makes his second film, ironically, on the same day as his first released. Today is the 10th of February. This is not something to clap or applaud for, because 4 years is absolutely too long a gap for any filmmaker to take. So there's no pride in the statement. Shakun, you have to pull your tiny socks up and make sure that you come back sooner, maybe next year, because it's about time that you make another film really soon. 4 years ago, he made a very special twist on the rom-com genre with Ek Main Aur Ek Tu, a film that ended with not a very conventional ending, but I think that was special about it. And I think the same special features itself in his second endeavor, which is Kapoor & Sons. We're really proud, and I believe that the director is truly, not just as the cliche goes, captain of the ship, but he's really the master of the universe that the film creates. So I'd like to call Shakun on stage first. We've had a really special cast. Unfortunately, Chintuji had to leave. He had somewhere to go to immediately. He apologizes on his behalf. He heads our cast. He plays the grandfather Kapoor in the film. And as you may have seen, tremendous work was put into his portrayal. And that would mean him waking up 4 hours before everybody else did to be on set. And his seniority, his commitment to his craft, and over and above his enthusiasm to be the actor that he's known to be was completely gratifying for all of us. This is his third recent outing with us, from Dawn to Dean, and now to Grandad. He's really has played a multitude of parts for us at Dharma Productions, and we're forever grateful for that. We have with us, for the first time, we've worked with two extraordinary artists, and I'm really glad to have them as part of this grand ensemble. I'd like to call Ratna Pathak on stage, who is somebody I have not only been a big fan of, but also we were all exceptionally pleased when she agreed to play the part of the mother in Kapoor & Sons. I've seen the movie and I think he's absolutely amazing, and that's my Aankhon Dekha Hal. Can I please call Rajat on stage? We have some partners in Sublime. I won't say crime, because crime is not exactly a positive term. So we've partnered with Fox on various endeavors, and it's been an immensely pleasurable experience. I'd like to call Vijay Singh on stage, who's been our big solid support through all our recent endeavors. Producer on the film, CEO of Dharma Productions, a solid spine of the company, Apurva Mehta. And now for the people who really bring in the money. It's unfortunately not us poor producers. It's really the talent behind the scene, the immensely graduated student, someone who's really grown from strength to strength and proved his versatility time and again, Siddharth Malhotra. His ultimate khoobsurati has made many a zindagi gulzar. I was trying to say it and put it like that. I want to say someone who, I've never known my mother blush, and the only time she blushes is every time she sees Fawad Khan. Fawad Khan in the house. What do I say? She might inherit some of my property and some of the rupees that might be left. It's always been her way or the highway. Alia Bhatt. So here it is, the grand team that has put together this little gem of a film with a big heart. As I said, the real ethos of the film is from loving your parents to understanding your children. This is the journey the film has, and I hope you appreciate it when it releases on the 18th of March. We are open to questions about the film, about individual actors and their professional existence. As for me, I'm going to try and keep shut because I invariably land up in trouble. Thank you. Have a seat. Is everyone in their allotted spaces? Everybody got a seat? Yeah, everybody. Apps, you're there? Okay. Hello? Yeah, all right. All sorted. Thank you. I'm going to moderate the questions. So, yes, we have questions from the house and we're very excited to answer them.
Hi, Alia. This is Alok from...
I knew you would ask the first question.
So, मेरा सवाल है, even कई लोग जानना चाहते हैं कि आखिरकार किस कपूर के साथ आप इस फिल्म में जाती हैं?
ऐसा क्या जरूरी है कि मुझे कपूर के साथ ही जाना, मैं खुद नहीं जा सकती हूँ कहीं? हाँ?
वो कपूर चलेगा भी।
कपूर के सन्स है ना यहाँ पे।
अगर मैं बोलूंगी तो आई थिंक मजा खराब हो जाएगा, तो आप प्लीज देखिए 18 मार्च को फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है और फिर आप देख सकते हैं अगर मैं किसी के साथ जाती हूँ, अपने आप जाती हूँ, कहीं और जाती हूँ, खान के पास जाती हूँ, कपूर के पास जाती हूँ, आई डोंट नो, पता चलेगा जब आप देखोगे फिल्म।
फवाद, ये कपूर एंड सन्स करना कैसा रहा आपके लिए और इस पार्ट को कैसे आपने एंजॉय किया?
To be very honest, I've been very fortunate. मैं बहुत खुशकिस्मत रहा हूँ in the past as well. Second time in a row to work with a team which has really become a family. I'm really going to miss this whole process, this whole journey, because we've had a ball of a time. These are wonderful and beautiful people, and I don't think I could ask for anything more in a film.
सिद्धार्थ, खबरें हैं कि आप लोगों ने गाना भी गाया फिल्म में, तो इसमें कितनी सच्चाई है?
गाना गाया है? नहीं, अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमने गाना नहीं गाया, बहुत नाचे इसमें और एक ही लोकेशन पे हम लोग, आई थिंक एज ही सेड, टू स्पेंड सो मच टाइम, वी वर 40 days एक ही घर में कनूर में, वी फेल्ट लाइक कि एक्चुअली कोई पंजाबी घर है वहाँ पे, बहुत ही सिंपल मिडिल क्लास अपब्रिंगिंग, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग गाने ये बजाते बहुत अच्छा है, शकुन भी बहुत अच्छा गिटार बजाता है, तो ये लोग जैम करते थे, वो सेशन आपको दिखाएंगे, हम लोग बहुत जैमिंग सेशन किया है, मैं पीछे बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक कुछ देता था, तो बस उतना ही करा है, ऑफ कैमरा बहुत गाए हम लोग।
हेलो फवाद
जी, आई एम सॉरी।
इस तरफ आपके राइट में जी। आपने रत्ना मैम के साथ दोबारा फिर से काम किया, तो उनके साथ कैसा अनुभव रहा और क्या क्या सीखा लास्ट टाइम और इस टाइम में?
मुझे लगता है कि हम अब वो मेरी परमानेंट फिल्मी माँ बन चुकी हैं।
रत्ना मैम ने सीखा कि फवाद बदला नहीं है, वो उतना ही सेट पे मस्ती करता है जितना पहले करता था।
आई थिंक एक पहली बात तो एक ऐसे वेटरन एक्टर, एक ऐसे सीनियर एक्टर के साथ काम करना, no, for me, you're a veteran, no, I am a complete amateur, a rookie in front of you. और मैं मानता हूँ इस बात को, because I think it's always a delight to work with actors जो आपको कुछ दे सकते हैं. And I think she's very giving that way in being very collaborative in a performance. साथ में मिलके डायरेक्टर, एक्टर्स सबके साथ मिलके बैठ के डिस्कशन करके. And on top of that, off the set, मैं बस इतना बताऊंगा, she is a party animal.
Alia?
I'm going to adopt him, by the way.
Alia,
yeah.
Congratulations to the team for the trailer. मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आप दोनों के साथ रोमांस करें, दोनों कपूर्स के साथ, एंड वैलेंटाइन डे इज नियर अराउंड द कॉर्नर, सो किसके साथ आप डेट पे जाना चाहेंगे, कौन से कपूर के साथ, अगर डेट पे जाना हुआ तो?
वैलेंटाइंस डे पे मैं गोवा में होने वाली हूँ, आई एम शूटिंग फॉर माय फिल्म, तो मैं गौरी शिंदे के साथ डेट पे जाऊंगी।
ओके, मेरा सवाल आपसे भी है सिद्धार्थ, फिल्म में तो हमने देखा काफी मस्ती हो रही है, लड़ाई झगड़े हो रहे हैं, ऑफ स्क्रीन कैसा रहा माहौल, मतलब ऐसे कुछ मस्ती होती है, लड़ाई झगड़े होते रहे, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
बहुत मौके हैं, आई थिंक ऑफ स्क्रीन एक तो इंडिया पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट मैच चलता था, बहुत खेले, जब भी टाइम मिलता था हमें, बिकॉज बहुत बड़ी कास्ट है, बाकी अलग लोग अलग अलग टाइम पे काम करते थे. देन वी यूज्ड टू प्ले लॉट ऑफ गेम लाइक डमशराज एंड शी केम अप विद क्या हॉपस्कॉच.
Hopscotch it wasn't said. It was
Gold Spot.
वो बहुत ही difficult game है, मतलब it's like difficult. आप देखोगे हम लोग making video डालेंगे, then all of you can share it digitally.
खेला है यहाँ पे Gold Spot?
Gold Spot नहीं ना, बहुत ही difficult game है. I was very good at it. Sid was very bad at Damsharaz. Tell them about how bad you were at Damsharaz.
I was very bad at word building.
So
I was very good at word building. बैलेंस बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ द मीनिंग,
हाँ हम इसे अडॉप्ट कर लिया. मैं
कौन सा बैलेंस, मैं दोनों पे खड़ी थोड़ी हूँ. हाँ
करण ऋषि कपूर जी के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे। उनका मेकअप काफ़ी डिफरेंट हुआ है, तो ये इस बार जो चेंज हुआ है उनके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे कि किस तरीके से उनका मेकओवर चेंज करने को सोचा।
एक्चुअली ये शकुन एक्चुअली आपको ज़्यादा बता पाएंगे इस बारे में। एज यू नो चिंटू जी's एज ही इज़ इन 60s, लेकिन उनको एक 85 या 90 साल के बुज़ुर्ग का रोल निभाना था। तो जाहिर है कि मेकअप की ज़रूरत थी, तो हमने एक टीम मंगाई है जो आए थे, ग्रेग नाम है उनका। तो प्रोस्थेटिक मेकअप होता है, तो इसीलिए जैसे मैंने बिगनिंग में भी कहा था, कुछ 3 या 4 घंटे लग जाते थे रोज़। बहुत मुश्किल होता है एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए एक ही चेयर पे बैठना, 4 ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट टू परफॉर्म विथ ऑल दैट ऑन योर फेस। एंड आई थिंक इट नीड्स अ सर्टन काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस होता है, एक ट्रिमेंडस टैलेंट टू काइंड ऑफ परफॉर्म थ्रू दैट। तो बहुत स्पेसिफिक लुक था, एंड आई थिंक चिंटू जी जब आप देखोगे पिक्चर में तो कन्विंसिंग भी लगते हैं, एंड आई थिंक ही इज डन एन एक्सट्रीमली अमेजिंग जॉब।
सॉरी, इंटेलेक्चुअल?
या
ओके, आई टेक दैट।
हमारी चीज में क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
So I think you are the person in the country who is known for his or her general knowledge. Okay.
Yeah.
So we will just like
his or her. How can I be his or her? Your general knowledge is a little poor, my friend. His or her कैसे हो सकती हूँ मैं? तो दिखती हूँ his.
And what about your general knowledge? Alia is known for your general knowledge.
Apparently his or her is known for the general knowledge. Anyway, आपका question.
Okay.
I normally get that his or her. I don't know how you got it.
So will you please like to speak something about the chemistry? This chemistry.
Okay, before I answer that, why did you? Okay, because of chemistry, you're talking about general knowledge. You have to bring general knowledge up in some way, na? So that your question gets picked up, so that XYZ digital media writes about it कि ये journalist ने ये question पूछा क्योंकि general knowledge का जो question आया था. That's the reason, na?
Yeah.
I'm also a psychologist, so I'm also kind of trying to understand what I think about chemistry between actors or in life.
And I think you can just take help of Fawad and Siddharth as well.
मेरे को तो समझ ही नहीं आया क्या सवाल है आपका। I need some help right now.
Let me say something. I feel कि इस फिल्म में स्पेशली केमिस्ट्री सिर्फ लव के एंगल में नहीं है। केमिस्ट्री इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैमिली में भी, मदर फादर, मदर सन, फादर सन, हमारे जो दादू है उनके साथ भी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स गर्ल एंड बॉयज। सो आई फील the chemistry of a cast on the whole on this set or on this film was very, very special.
Karan sir over here. First row, towards here. Sir, you know, usually films are promoted for 2 months, but for this film, you are just promoting it for 38 days. So what is the idea behind the entire promotional strategy?
That actually we're not supposed to be any more promoting films for 2 months because it's really not required. Most films have a 5 to 6 week window now, and I think that's where you can maximize your expense and also create maximum impact. It's the new way forward. For most films, I think जो 2 महीने का हुआ करता था, I think it's been stretched now because I think there's so much content out there कि exhaustion सा हो जाता है एक ही फिल्म के बारे में सुनना, वही गाने प्ले करना। तो by the time the film releases it, you feel कि रिलीज हो चुकी है already. तो जब 5 या 6 हफ्ते का विंडो होता है तो it keeps the film more alive, more fresh, more kicking in that sense.
So will we see all the Dharma films after this being promoted in a similar manner?
Yeah, in fact, I hope there's a zone we don't need to promote the film at all. जैसे हुआ करता था when I was a director in the 90s, the late 90s, just specifying, जब कुछ होता है, कभी खुशी कभी गम, ऐसी पिक्चर है जो मैं अपने खुद के बारे में बोल सकता हूँ. There was no such thing as promotion. It was the trailer and it was the music and it was out. अब हमें हर जगह now we are going to the opening of an envelope also. You know, we are reaching almost everywhere trying to sell our film. ऐसा लगता है कि हम भीख मांग रहे कि भगवान के लिए आके हमारी पिक्चर देखो. हम मार्केटिंग कम भीख ज़्यादा मांगने लगे हैं. तो I think it's not the way we like the media. The media support has always been very integral to all of us. And I feel कि वो 5 हफ्ते में भी आप हमें support करेंगे, 8 हफ्ते या 9 हफ्ते की क्या ज़रूरत है?
Alia, Karan here from Radio City. Hi, this side. On your
Karan.
right. Yeah. So मैं जानता था Valentine's के लिए कोई ना कोई question तो पूछ ही लेगा. So I just want to surprise you by giving you chocolate because yesterday chocolate day था.
Oh, sweet.
So I'll leave the rest of questions to the press. I'll just give you this chocolate.
Which chocolate is it?
Dairy milk.
Okay, give.
Bend on your knee and give it.
ये होती है publicity. Thank you.
क्या केमिस्ट्री वाला सवाल?
Chemistry.
ये लगता है ये कपूर हैं जिनके साथ आप जाने वाली.
Hi, Siddharth, on your right. This is Karmik here from mykarmik.com. Siddharth, see, last time when you were fighting with Varun for Alia in your debut movie, you took her. अच्छा, अभी इस बार would you be willing to let her go for Fawad?
See, you'll find out, as we said, it's a journey.
कि जब भी आलिया होगी, you will stick on to her.
Oh, अच्छा. वो कहानी के ऊपर है, हमारे डायरेक्टर बताएंगे, but I think it's not about one particular aspect. ये true ensemble है, इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Every family member has its own problems.
50-50 कर लेते हैं यार हम आपस में. आधी कर लेते हैं, मुझे cut and half and take.
Ouch.
Yeah, exactly. उनका आजकल women empowerment का ज़माना है. She should decide.
ये question मेरे लिए नहीं था.
अगर होता तो?
Question क्या होगा फिर?
तो producer के साथ चली जाती. चलो next.
Okay, another the next question is for you, Alia. In fact, you know, when I was watching the movie, it kind of reminded me of Shandar, though there is nothing similar to it.
What?
You've seen the film?
Trailer. It reminded you of Shandar from which angle?
No, the family, you know, the family drama around it and.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
She's not the Kapoor खानदान. बहन नहीं मेरी भाई.
हाँ मैं बहन नहीं हूँ. मैं बहन नहीं हूँ.
So उसमें there were two sisters and there was Shahid in the middle and of course there is.
Shahid was never in the middle of the sisters and anyway.
No, as in, of course, not in a love, not in a love triangle way, but you know, the family drama around it, and so is there, you know, how different is this from that movie, and what is it that you want to say?
No, completely different. This is, as Karan said earlier, this is when in a family there's conflict, there's drama, there's love, there's emotions. So it is about a family, and it is about the love and the emotions and the affection and the whatever conflict that they share. It's literally following a family's journey. So I would not at all compare it to any of my films. Forget Shandar. None of the films that I've done. That's also the reason why I did this film, because I feel like it's a very special family film.
I repeat, it has nothing to do with Shandar.
Hi, Shakun. Bhavna here from Z News, first show. Shakun, on your left. हाय आपकी जब पहली फिल्म आई थी प्रमोशंस के दौरान आपके एक्टर्स ने कहा था कि हमारा डायरेक्टर जब सेट पे आया इतना छोटा सा लगता था, हमें लगता था कि यू नो कैसे हम लोगों को 2 इंच लंबे हो गए, पर अभी आपको स्टार्स आपके कितना सीरियसली लेते हैं?
बिल्कुल सीरियसली लेते हैं. तो मेरे को बार-बार एक तो सिद्धार्थ तो बोलता है कि तू ज़्यादा बोलेगा मारूंगा तुझे. So then I have my EDs are really tall and big, so I just put my EDs in front and then I just stay at the monitor.
Actually, जब भी कुछ
Not when it comes to a director. Not when it comes to a director.
Ali, you were saying something.
I was saying whenever there's to be any.
I can't give you statistics now, huh?
Actually, Alia used to really help me out.
Just keep quiet. I was going to say something else. No, that was not what you were going to say.
I just want to say, Shakun, however short he is, he's made a really tall film, and that's what matters.
No, it's okay. Now you can.
No one need to say anything. Karan said it very well. No, but I was going to say that Sid used to pick Shakun up whenever there used to be any confusion. No, Shakun!
Oh, like that.
No, Shakun, don't go! Like that.
गुस्सा शकुन से पूछिए रियल में तो शकुन बताएगा ना सेट पे. रियल लाइफ में मैं घर पे कैसा हूँ वैसा. Alia will tell why.
गुस्से वाला है, युवा गुस्से वाला no.
No.
He's sweet. I mean गुस्सा तो सबको आता है. But he's not a गुस्से वाला.
सब कुछ आता है. I think everybody has different. मैं जहाँ अलग-अलग जगह पे अलग-अलग moods हैं मेरे. और क्या है mood तेरा भाई?
तू बता. नहीं मैं. I think these guys can vouch for me. मैं बड़ा ठंडा आदमी हूँ. उस लिहाज से
वैसे बिल्कुल गलत है. ये कोई ठंडे आदमी नहीं है. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि फवाद की जो है 2 पर्सनालिटी है. फवाद को जो दिखता है वो बिकता नहीं. मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा.
Serious demeanor you know I'm getting confused with. No, he is hot.
Why are you asking me? वो ठंडे नहीं है. It doesn't make him hot immediately. ना, it makes him interesting. एक प्रोसेस होता है. ठंडे से गर्मी तक एक प्रोसीजर होता है वहां पहुंचने में. हाय फवाद को वेदर चैनल बना दिया हमने.
मेरा सवाल माता और पिता से है, यानी रजत सर और रत्ना मैम से. मैम आपके लेफ्ट में. हाँ, मेरा सवाल है कि ऐसे 2 बच्चों को संभालना कितना आसान या मुश्किल था रियल लाइफ में.
रियल लाइफ में
रियल
हम लोगों ने उनको फॉरेन से पेशतर अमेरिका भेज दिया. आप समझ लें जो जितना मुश्किल था
जैसा ट्रेलर बताता है.
Yeah, the film is about conflicts in the family, so you will see some conflicts, and I think that drama is what keeps it up.
Almost any family, I suppose, these kind of conflicts, things that we pretend to hide, but they're all there. That's what makes films interesting.
Fawad?
Oh, no, not at all. This was quite different.
Hi, Alia.
We have last two questions in the house,
Fawad,
ladies and
I have a
gentlemen.
question for you. This movie is about families. You are far away from your family here in India. How has India treated you as Bollywood opened up to you? And how do you react as an artist when the political situations between both these countries go haywire?
Actually, to be very honest, I'm a very politically illiterate person. मतलब I don't keep up with current affairs. तो मेरा इस मामले में इतना उलझना बनता नहीं है या होता नहीं है. जब भी मैं आया हूँ, I have always experienced a tremendous amount of hospitality in India, and all the people, all the Indian people, and they've given such a lovely and warm welcome. यार एक सेकंड बात तो कर लेने दे भाई. So to cut the long story short, the point is कि last time around as well, or इस दफा भी, like I said, मतलब शुरू में I summed it up like it's a family, and wherever I've gone in India, it has always been an amazing experience. चाहे वो कनूर हो, चाहे वो कोयम्बटूर हो, चाहे वो राजस्थान में
word है मसला.
हाँ. So
बता रहा हूँ.
So I
बोलो कोई मसला नहीं था.
Family का जहाँ तक है, yeah, I do miss my family, but these guys make up for what I'm missing out. Probably not completely because की बात है बेटे में जान है मेरी, but yeah, I feel at home.
Also, you're quite a heartthrob both in India and Pakistan.
Sorry?
You're quite a heartthrob both in India and Pakistan. आप काफी famous हैं.
ये आप सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, बता रहे हैं. बताएं.
Valentine's is around the corner. How do you normally celebrate it with your wife?
ये Valentine's का question
था. Private सा question पूछ लिया आपने. I celebrate Valentine's like any other, मियाँ बीवी करते होंगे यार, boyfriend girlfriend करते होंगे. क्या मतलब ये सवाल क्या पूछ लिया आपने?
अरे सिद्धार्थ, just tell him. Tell the world what you're going to do on Valentine's Day.
घर पे कैसा हूँ, Valentine's कैसे बनाता हूँ, और Valentine कैसे मनाऊंगा इस साल? किसके साथ? अभी तक तो मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. Actually, I'll be traveling, shooting with बार देखो. So sadly with the whole crew.
Hi, Alia. Hi. Preksha from Bollywood Masti. Okay, so you have worked with Siddharth before, and how was it romancing or working with Fawad?
Honestly speaking, I had heard a lot about Fawad before, because as Karan said, his mother has a fondness for Fawad, so does my mother, and so does my mother and her friends. So everybody has always seen his, his work in his serials out there and everything. So I was honestly really looking forward to working with him as an actor. And we got along really well. We didn't have we had to generally have a lot of fun when we were shooting. Like the scenes were
She was lying, she was floored by me.
Hi,
Huh?
This is going from there to there.
Arey, no one has offered me a film after Bombay Velvet. I'm waiting. It was such a disastrous debut that I never got a single film offer. I'm dying. I'm waiting that someone comes and offers me a good role. I don't want a lead role. में कौन आके मुझे देखेगा? लेकिन I'm like, I want a good supporting role. Even Shakun didn't take me in his film. I could have very well been part of this ensemble.
करण 2 दिनों पहले आपने एक ट्वीट किया था कि आप एलिवेटर में थे और बड़ा दुख हुआ आपको, 2 लोग किस कर रहे थे, सम किस डे हुआ.
अरे 2 बार नहीं, कुछ 5 बार हुआ था. मैं न्यूयॉर्क में था, मैं हर एलिवेटर के अंदर घुस जाता था, कोई ना कोई कुछ कर रहा था उस एलिवेटर में. तो ऐसे ये पता नहीं मेरे साथ ही क्यों हो रहा है, या यूनिवर्स मुझे साइन दे रही है कि मुझे शायद प्यार ढूंढना है, या पर मेरा हो चुका, मुझे लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट मिल चुका है ऑलरेडी उस डिपार्टमेंट पे. We have one more question. Last, Rajiv had a question. I just got, he's trying to raise his hand or he's too far away. Rajiv, what is your question?
Rajiv is here?
Yeah, apparently. Oh, he's gone.
Karan, hi. This is Sunita from India TV.
Hi, Sunita.
Yeah. Karan, मेरा सवाल आप लोगों सारे ही लोगों से है यहाँ पर जो भी मौजूद हैं. Karan, हाल ही में हमारे एक सोल्जर हैं हनुमान थप्पा, जो कि बर्फीली तूफान में 6 दिन तक दबे रहे और उसके बाद वो वहाँ से निकल कर आए और अब क्रिटिकल कंडीशन में है. क्या टेक ऑन होगा आप लोगों का, क्या कहेंगे आप लोग, फीलिंग शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
जी, I mean, I was following it. मैं सोशल मीडिया पे फॉलो कर रहा था. मैं देश में नहीं था, एंड मैंने सुना जो सियाचिन में हुआ था, एंड इट वाज एक्सेप्शनली अनफॉर्चुनेट. और मुझे देखा नहीं गया वाकई जो वातावरण जो था वहाँ का, और जो जिस मुश्किलों से उन सबको गुजरना पड़ा. इट वाज completely heartbreaking. And in fact, as soon as I walked in last night, my mother told me सारी details क्योंकि वो भी follow कर रही थी. And she said that, you know, like every other mother in the country and like every other citizen, everyone sent out a prayer, and so did I. And I really wish for his speedy recovery क्योंकि I mean, भगवान ना करे ऐसे हालात में किसी को भी गुजरना पड़े. It was truly saddening and really heartbreaking to know and hear of what happened there.
थैंक्स करण. कोई और इस पर अगर रिप्लाई करना चाहे कोई अपने यहाँ पे.
Thank you. All right, we're done with the questions. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Kapoor and Sons. You know, जैसे आप जानते हैं कपूर एंड सन्स जो टाइटल है, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स लिटरल सा है, लेकिन जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि नॉर्मली अगर आप जाते हो किसी भी, बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टोर्स होते हैं जो फैमिली लीनेज के स्टोर्स होते हैं, जो कपूर एंड सन्स या मल्होत्रा एंड सन्स या खन्ना एंड सन्स. दिल्ली में आप जाओगे, अप नॉर्थ, इवन हियर इन आवर स्टेट, तो इट्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ स्पिन ऑफ ऑन दैट आइडियोलॉजी एंड थॉट. तो इसीलिए ये टाइटल हमने एप्ट सोचा कि लिटरल भी है और उसमें एक मजा भी. Thank you so much.
करण चलते चलते कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, आपने वेलवेट कोट से मुक्ति पा ली. You're looking handsome in this red. Who has designed it with you with the red button?
ये मेरे एक ही डिजाइनर है, शिराज सिद्दीकी, एंड थैंक यू फॉर द कॉम्प्लीमेंट कि वेलवेट को मैंने अभी अलविदा कह दिया है और होपफुली अनुराग ने भी. ऑलराइट, ओके. Rajat sir will not cast me. Shakun may have to be paid to do that. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming today.